Hey guys, welcome to my third pack opening. So before I get into any of this, I just want to say please follow me on Instagram. It's the Ultimate Dabbing Warrior. And first off, I'm going to show you my cards. You can see them. I've got like 32 legends. Yeah, Sergio Ramos form. Look at that. Hopefully I get some really decent players. Some really good players. And you don't need to pay for them, they're all free. It's really good. So on with the packs. Straight away an inform. Not great inform though. Really. As well as Van Persie and an inform. Not a bad pack to start off with. Could have been better. Recently I've got like Messi, Ronaldo and Legends and all sorts. Come on. Oh. 92 pace, that wasn't too bad. Not James Milner, Henderson. This pack opening is going so bad. Come on, give me someone good. Ooh. Who's that? Okay. I've got a Frank Lampard. I've got like 2,179 players already. Some really good players that I still haven't got, which I'm so desperate for. Ooh. If they have like that glitter, then they're probably a good player, but not always. Come on. Oh my god. How many anomalies have I got in this pack opening? Give me a good player. Not Mirrorless, sorry. Go on, Benzema! What a pass! Karim Benzema. Oh, thank you. Finally. How long did that take, man? Finally a good player. Ooh. No. Not the right Pogba. That's the bad Pogba. And I want Paul Pogba. Come on. Rooney? I won't complain about that, but to be honest, this year he's getting a bit old for football. And I can't lie, he's getting old for football. Come on. Please. Oh my god. I've packed him so many times. If I don't get a good one, I'm gonna kill myself. Dani Alves. I won't die. Yay. I've got a Dani Alves. I need to be quiet. It's just my mum. I need to be quiet. She won't, like, yeah. Need to be a bit quiet. My brother's at school. Oh, I thought that would be a good part. Like, could be in someone like anyone. Give me someone like Messi or a legend somewhere. Oh, Gundogan. Decent. Socrates and Gundogan. In Sopak. Alright. Sorry, I've just... yeah. Excuse my voice as well. When it comes to... oh, Aguero! Sergio Aguero! Right, anyway, like I was saying, my voice on YouTube is not what it sounds like in real life. Just like, you know, I don't know why it's like that. Come on. Oh, I thought that was like Vincent Kompany or someone. But a very good player. Come on, give me someone else. In form. Carvajal. What a player. Not great anyway. Look at those stats though. 56 picks, 67 shoot, 82 pass, 80 dribbling, 87 defence, and 88. Yeah. Come on. I think it's physics, whatever. You won't see, but my tablet is being so slow. Please give me someone good. Please give me a legend. Not a legend. Oh, for God's sake, he's terrible. If only that was a right wing. Then it could be like Di Maria or Messi. Come on, give me someone good. Now, give me, okay. Really? No. Come on. Give me someone good. What's he in form? Benucci. He's a centre back, so his only good thing is when it comes to defending. So yeah, but that's still a good player because he's a defender, obviously. 89 defence, 88 rated. Good player. Ivanovic. Again. Give me in a legend. Nah. Him again. Don't know how many times I've got him. Oh, for God's sake. I can't skip these packs, which is annoying. Oh, I thought I had something good. Could have been like Higuain, Aguero again. Oh, excuse me. Oh, man. Could have been better, but that's a decent player. 85 defence. So, as well as 85 rated. I've got 94 charge. I'm playing this whilst I'm charging it, so it won't go down, it'll go up. Yay. Come on. If this is not good, I'm going to jump off the top of my brother's bed, which is high up. De Bruyne! Oh, as soon as I say I'll do something, I'll get the good player. Oh, and Cellini, whatever. And Kovacic. I told you I'm not good pronouncing names. What a pass. Really? Just get two really good players in your pack and I get that. Terrible. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. In every pack I get a non-rare. See? Non-rare. Okay, I need to stop doing that. Come on. Oh, Oscar. Oh, not bad. Huh? Yeah. And I get Ashley Young. Wow, Lucas, what we do? If it was a left wing, then you know who it would be. If not, then you don't know. Depay, decent. Come on. The. Right, this better be a good one. Or I'm throwing this out the window. Don't know if you heard that, but yeah. Depay again. I literally got him a couple of packs ago. I think it was 2. I haven't been counting. How? Give me some gold. And it's a number. Not good at all. Steven Gerrard. This video will be 15 minutes long, so that's the max my tablet will do. Ooh, who's that? Okay. Oh my god. Benteke. I think that's how you say it, Benteke. One of them. What a card, man. Look at them stats. Not like the best stats ever, but look at that. What a pass. Got like 2 more minutes of this. So yeah. Come on. Oh wait, no, it can't be Kante. Kante is not a centre back. Come on, give me someone good. Ooh. I don't know why he's 83 rated. He's absolutely terrible. Oh no, this is not going well at all. 30 more seconds till I have to end the video. I need to get something good though. Oh no, come on. No. Ten more seconds. Turan. Right.